Aryan Khan escaped the NCB summon in Mumbai cruise drug bust case. Superstar Shah Rukh Khan's son was asked to appear before the probe agency on Sunday for questioning, but he did not show up. Sources have told India Today that Aryan Khan cited illness, expressed his inability to join the probe on Sunday, and he's likely to join the investigation today. Aryan had been granted conditional bail on 28th of October by Bombay High Court. He was asked to cooperate with the NCB as one of the conditions for the bail. The cruise drug seizure case in which Aryan Khan was arrested last month was transferred from NCB Mumbai zonal unit to the SIT team on Friday. DDG Sanjay Singh has taken over 6 cases that were being led by NCB zonal director Sameer Wankhede, who is currently facing a departmental probe on extortion allegations.
सैम डिसूजा और जो बाकी लोग हैं सुनील पाजी को बुलाया जाएगा क्या?
मैं बाई नेम नहीं बोलूंगा, लेकिन जो आवश्यक होंगे सबको बुलाऊंगा।
लेकिन कितने लोगों को बुलाया गया सर आज? कितने?
मैं बाई नेम नहीं बताऊंगा।
नाम मत बताइए।
प्लीज मेरी जांच को प्रभावित करने वाली कोई भी चीज मैं नहीं बोलूंगा।
सर लेकिन फिर भी कितने लोग अमूमन संख्या बता सकते हैं?
संख्या बता दीजिए।
मैं आज प्रभाकर साहिल जी की उम्मीद कर रहा हूँ, बाकी आगे देखें।
So what is expected today as far as the Aryan Khan case is concerned? Let's bring that to you on your screens right now. New NCB probe team to question Aryan Khan. This is what is expected today. Shah Rukh Khan's manager Pooja Dadlani's questioning is also scheduled for today. Then grilling of witness Prabhakar Sail is going to happen today as well. Questioning of mastermind Sunil Patil is going to take place. The NCB probe teams at drug bust extortion spots, and they will be conducting further probes. SIT may seek court nod to question Gosavi as well. Witness Sam D'Souza's statement is also going to be recorded. So this is all that is expected today as far as the Aryan Khan case is concerned. We're getting you the latest that is expected today as far as cruise drug bust case is concerned. And Maharashtra Minister Nawab Malik launched a fresh attack on NCB Zonal Director Sameer Wankhede's family. We're going to be getting you all those details in just about a bit. Pankaj is now joining us for the very latest on this. Pankaj, tell us a little more about what can be expected today as far as the Aryan Khan probe is concerned.
Chaiti, Arbaz Merchant and Achit Kumar, who are out on bail right now, had already appeared before the Narcotics Control Bureau SIT yesterday, and now it is said that Aryan Khan, son of Bollywood superstar Shah Rukh Khan, could be coming today or tomorrow. There's no official word on it as far as the NCB is concerned. Yesterday, we were told that Shah Rukh Khan's manager, Pooja Dadlani, had told the Narcotics Control Bureau that Aryan Khan is not well and hence he's not in a position to appear. But yes, what we can confirm is that summons have already been given to Aryan Khan, and so he can either come today or tomorrow. But more importantly, what's happening right now is the action that is being taken by the vigilance team of the Narcotics Control Bureau. They have already visited the place in the suburban area of Lower Parel where the alleged extortion deal was taking place. At the same time, now the team is heading towards the cruise terminal where the entire raid had taken place in South Mumbai. So the vigilance team, the 7-member vigilance team headed by Gyaneshwar Singh, is in action today. This is a 7-member team that has said that it is going to visit various places and also record statements of the crucial people that are linked with this entire case. Also importantly, at around 2:30 p.m, the independent witness Prabhakar Sail, who had leveled extortion charges, who had made sensational claims that he had overheard KP Gosavi talking to Sam D'Souza about brokering a deal for the release of Aryan Khan. His statement is crucial. It's going to be taken at 2:30 today. Also, the several members of the NCB SIT team are already here at the NCB headquarters in South Mumbai. It remains to be seen who all are going to be called in for the statement taking today. But the fact remains, it's an important day in Mumbai. 2 teams of the Delhi NCB, one the SIT being headed by senior IPS official Sanjay Singh is in Mumbai. Secondly, the NCP's vigilance team, which is probing the extortion charges, is in action again, and in a short while from now it is going to reach the cruise terminal for its further investigation.
All right, thanks Pankaj for getting us those latest developments. We're of course going to be coming back to you for all the latest coming in this drug probe. Maharashtra Minister Nawab Malik has launched a fresh attack on NCB Zonal Director Sameer Wankhede's family.